Hi everyone and welcome back to Technology Hub. Today we are going to make a guess the number game project. You might have played this game in your childhood, but you haven't, then don't worry because in this video first we will make this game, then after we will play this game also. So let's start. So first of all, what I will do here, I will create a new Python file. Okay? Then after I will import a library which is called random. If you don't know about this library, let me tell you, this library generates a random number between a specific range. Let's suppose I have a range from 1 to 100. So this library generates a random number from 1 to 100. Okay. So now I will create a function and I will name it guess the number. Guess the number. Then after I will add some print function to show some instruction to the user. So I will write here, this is a guess the number game. Okay. Now I will add another print function and I will write here let's play and win this game. Okay. So now I will create a variable called guess. Okay. In this variable I will store the computer guess. So here I will write random dot randint and I will provide its range from 1 to 100. So what does this line do? It generates a random number from the range 1 to 100 and store it in the variable guess. Okay. So now I will also describe the attempts that user have. So I will write here attempts equal to 7. Okay. And here I will use a for loop for I in range. And here I will write 1 2 attempts plus 1. Okay. So here I will write users guess. Okay. To store the user's guess. And here I will write int input enter your guess. So now I will check whether the user's guess is greater than 100 or less than 1. So now here I will write if user's guess is greater than 100 and user's guess is less than 1, then I will write here print, then I will write here please enter the number between 1 to 100. Okay, and here I will write continue. So now I will compare the user's guess to the computer's guess to check whether it's low or high, and I will provide some hints to the user. So here I will write if user's guess is greater than guess. Okay, it's computer guess. So there I will write print it's high. Provide some low number. Okay, and now I will write here elif user's guess is less than guess. So here I will write print it's low. It's low, not it's yes, it's low. Please enter some high number. Okay. So now here I will add else function. If the user's guess and the computer guess matches, then I will print here congratulations, you won. Okay. So here I will write congratulations, you won the game. And here I will add the break so that the program will end here. So now if our attempts are over and the user are not able to guess the correct number, then here we will write if attempt if I equal to attempts, then I will write here print sorry you have used all the chances. Okay, and then after I will call my main function. Okay, so here I will write if name equal to main, and then after I will call my main function, that is guess the number. Guess the number. Okay, so now we will save our program and run it. So first I will save it. Okay, so I will name it guess the number. Guess the number. Okay. Okay, so let's run this program. So here we can see the instruction. This is a guess the number game. Let's play and win this game. So I will write here 56. Okay, it's high, provide some low number. Okay, so I will write here 48. Okay, it is still high, so I will write here 32. It is still high, then I will write here 12. It is still high. So I will write here 5. Then it's low. Then I will write here 8. Now I think my chances are over because I have only 7 attempts. I think it's my last attempt. So I will write here 10. So you can see that I have used my all chances. So I will run again. So I'm going to run this program here. So I will write here 45. Let's see. It's low. I will write here 78. It is still low. I will write here 98. It's high. I will write here 91. It's still high. I will write here 88. It's low. I will write here 89. So I have guessed the correct number. So that is for today. If you enjoy this video, then subscribe the channel and share it to your friends. And thanks for watching.